Hi guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and that's Praveen Nair, and today we are going to be doing a delicious lentil soup for you.
Yes, it's so Indian and it has got some amazing amount of fiber, which means that's going to improve your digestion. So let's go and have a look at the recipe.
Yeah. First, I have Borges olive oil. You can opt for any brand of olive oil. 1 whole onion chopped. 2 whole carrots diced. I have a cinnamon powder. 100 grams of orange lentil, that's masoor. 1 cup of vegetable stock. You can use the vegetable stock from the vegetables that you have boiled at home, or else you could also opt for the company Urban Platter. They have a vegetable broth powder. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. To that I'm going to add 1 whole onion. I'm going to stir it and let it become slightly golden. Once you feel that the onion is turning slightly tender, you're going to add 2 whole carrots. To this, I'm going to add a pinch of cinnamon powder. Next, I'm going to add Himalayan pink salt. And now I'm going to add 100 grams of red lentil dal to it. Now I'm going to add 1 whole cup of vegetable stock. So if you have a leftover stock, you can also use that. And now I'm going to put a lid and let it cook for the next 15 minutes. And our soup looks slightly well done. 2 options. Option number 1, you can use this and mash it. Second option is you're going to slightly cool it at room temperature till it becomes room temperature, and then you're going to blend it in a blender. If you have a hand blender, you'll use a hand blender. Lastly, I'm going to add some lime. Soup is ready, and we're just going to give 1 quick boil, and it's ready to be served. Now lastly, add some freshly grounded pepper to it. And our lentil soup is ready. It looks delicious. You can garnish it with nice parsley leaves. Our delicious lentil soup is ready.
Yes, it's ready. So guys, you want to make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon. It's very important that you get to know about 6 videos which is coming up every week for you guys. So go out there, enjoy the recipes, train a little bit program which is about exercise at home, or probably in any scenario where you don't have equipment, but still you can do 35 minutes of HIIT training. And we got a lot of information videos like what if you use a certain thing, or what if you use or follow a certain method. So go out there, enjoy all of them, and keep yourself fit. Share the channel with friends and family. Make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for tuning in. We are looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you.
Thank you.